If it's God's will, it is God's bill. Last night, during my quiet time with God, He impressed this in my heart. Nak, dream big. Lakihan mo. Tindihan mo. Dream bigger that the entire heaven would be so busy working on that request. Dream dreams that are bigger than your salary. Dream dreams that are bigger than your wallet. Dream dreams that are bigger than your resources. Dream dreams that are bigger than your capability. Why? Kasi pag nangarap ka ng mas malaki kaysa sa kaya mong gawin, hindi ka aasa sa sarili mo. Dream big that once it happened, you know for sure that it is not you who do all the work, but God who carried you through. Dear, when we work, we work. But when we pray, God works. Walang sigurado sa susunod na taon, pero mananatiling tapat sa Panginoon.